This vegan cheesecake came to me from a fine dining pastry chef, but it is so easy to make and can be put into so many different practical applications that I had to share it. The crunch is made from almonds and it's held together with a 2-to-1 simple syrup. The cheesecake has a 1-to-1 simple syrup. When you make simple syrup, you always want to add the water first. You don't want to stir a lot and you don't want to bring it to a boil. You just want to dissolve the particles of sucrose. The almond slivers for the crunch should be toasted lightly because they will be baked further. And into your food processor goes coconut flakes, coconut oil, a good amount of sea salt, and some vanilla bean paste. And you want to process it until it gets to a grain that sticks together and a fork can go through once it's baked, but isn't so small that it's completely pulverized. This is a tart shell on top of a sille pain, P-A-I-N. It allows a little bit of airflow underneath so I can get them nice and crispy. And I'm using a teaspoon to just flatten and press and compress the almond crunch. Once it's all pressed, it will go in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit until it's a good color. So it's baked to color, and I like it dark, so when it comes out, you'll see how pretty it looks. Once it's cool, we'll make the vegan cheesecake batter and then pour it over the finished crunch. This crunch can be frozen and kept for a while, and it's also good on granola. The cashews are raw, and they get soaked while in the refrigerator overnight, so they're nice and soft. You strain them and put them in a Vitamix with your other ingredients, which are very similar to the crunch. And if you're seeing a flavor pairing on the horizon, you are correct. We've got coconut milk, coconut oil, a 1-to-1 simple syrup, and lemon makes everything pop. And this has a larger amount of vanilla bean paste and salt so that it has a really good amount of flavor. You'll find the recipes on my link tree in my profile, and included are pairings for a raspberry puree and a mango sorbet. The coconut flavors, the almond, and the cashews all lend a little bit of a tropical flavor. So you don't have to do the flavors that are in the profile, but you can play off of them. Instead of trying to ignore them, you want to complement them. So the color and flavor, presentation, and plating possibilities are endless. If you have people who love vegan desserts, this is a recipe that you can absolutely have success with.